Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Software training video. Today's topic for the training video is the Jenesis Software Calendar. Let's take a look. From inside your Jenesis software, let's create the first step of adding the calendar to your dashboard. Simply scroll down until you see the plus on your dashboard. Click there and look for the calendar dashboard card. Clicking there to add it to your dashboard. In order to add events to your dashboard calendar card, move up to the toolbar at the very top, click on the little icon that reads Calendar, and on the right hand side, you're able to add events. You can select a start date. Let me go to June already, a start time, an end date, end time. You can also set these as reoccurring if you want it to reoccur once every day, week, month, year, and so forth. You can also color code your events so that they stand out. You can put a name for this, testing, and a description for your event. Once you've added the event details for your calendar, you can simply click Add Event to your calendar, or if it's an event that you would like to share with your office or your agency location, you can click either of these boxes to share that event with your teammates, coworkers, or other locations. I'll click Add Event. Oh, I did put it on repeating, so it does want to know how often. So now I'll click Add Event, returning to my dashboard by clicking on the dashboard on the left toolbar. And then when I scroll down, you'll notice on my calendar that the event I just added shows up on my calendar. If I need to make an adjustment to that calendar event, I simply click on the event, clicking on that event in my calendar, and I can either delete it or make my adjustments accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful as to how to add the dashboard calendar card to your dashboard and adding events. Should you have any questions or need any help, always remember the chat support icon at the bottom right, or all the way to the left on your toolbar at the bottom, clicking on resources, clicking help will bring you to our YouTube channel for all your tutorial videos. Thank you for joining me.